AI Automation, prepared by engineer Adil Saleh. Welcome to the course. Over the next series of lessons, we are going to build real, functioning AI-powered systems together. We will start at step 1, assuming zero prior knowledge, and work steadily until you are assembling the exact technical tools used by modern businesses. Automation handles repetitive workflows, while AI processes logic. Combining these two capabilities creates systems that compound your daily output. By integrating these distinct tools, we build architecture that processes information, makes logical decisions, and acts autonomously, all without requiring a human operator to click a button or write a response. This network map represents the operating environment for most companies today. To process the massive volume of data flowing through these nodes daily, businesses now rely heavily on intelligent automation. The first direct application is customer support. An automated workload can read incoming support tickets, determine the user's specific problem, and resolve the inquiry completely on its own. The second application here is data processing. These systems ingest massive streams of live, unstructured data, filter out the noise, and organize the resulting information in real time. They also execute generative tasks. Workflows can instantly draft the exact content required for reports or client communications, effectively eliminating repetitive data entry. By delegating these tasks, a business removes its human bottlenecks. A company can handle 10,000 inquiries as easily as it handles 10, scaling its operations instantly while maintaining strict, logical decision-making. To learn how to build these solutions, you must actively build them. This course is strictly project-based. You will keep your tools open and follow along as we construct 5 specific projects. This diagram outlines our roadmap. Step 1 is the basic automation system. We will use a visual platform called NAN to set up a direct trigger, passing data from a webhook straight into an automated email response. Step 2 expands into the data processing pipeline. Here, we introduce logic, taking unstructured data and parsing it into clean, usable formats. In Step 3, the API integration system, we connect multiple external platforms. You will learn how to make distinct software applications securely pass information between each other. Step 4 introduces external intelligence with the AI email classifier. We will connect N8N to AI APIs, so our workflow can read incoming text and sort it into specific actionable categories. Step 5 is the AI auto-reply system. This is where we build a fully independent agent, combining everything we have learned into a complex decision tree that handles end-to-end communication. We progress in this sequence for a specific reason. You will graduate from setting up rigid, rule-based triggers to designing fluid systems that evaluate variables and solve problems dynamically. Achieving that final result requires following a strict chronological methodology. We have divided the curriculum into clear structural phases. Looking at this blueprint grid, the highlighted base block represents our Foundations module. This covers basic automation logic. It is strictly non-negotiable. Do not skip this section or your later projects will fail. From there, we move into data handling. You will learn how to read, extract, and format JSON structures, and apply conditional statements to tell your data exactly where to go. Next are the API integration and AI automation phases. This is where we plug external services and language models into your workflows to provide intelligence. Once the mechanics are understood, we apply them in the real projects phase. Finally, we lock down the architecture in advanced systems, where you will learn how to handle errors, set production schedules, and scale your operations. I will demonstrate every single step on my screen. All you need to do is pause the video, replicate the exact node connections on your own screen, and verify the output. By sticking to this structure, you ensure that you build robust, reliable architecture capable of handling live business traffic, rather than fragile workflows that break at the first error. As you complete the various modules in this course, these separate tools will finally synchronize into a complete skill set. Technically, you will know exactly how to spin up an instance, map out an automation path, connect language models via API, and troubleshoot the data flow from start to finish. Professionally, you will hold the blueprints for live, business-ready systems. You can deploy these in your own company to cut overhead or offer them directly as a freelance automation service to clients. Completing these projects builds the high-leverage technical ability required to deploy digital infrastructure that works and earns on your behalf. Let's get to work. Open your browser, prepare your workspace, and move on to the first foundations lesson,